how is he feeling before and after? So first of all, he's going to be feeling frustrated. He's not able to serve authentically. He's tired from the amount of individual work he's having to do with each one. How many of us feel that it's really hard work to keep going to each individual client? And you've got to, with each individual client, they've got to feel like they're the only client and we're doing our best for them. And you put your phone down to them or send off the email, and then you've got to do it for the next one. But if you can systemize, so a lot of it is step and repeat, you can chunk through volumes of work. One of the things I'm often asked is, how do you get through so much stuff? I wear lots of different hats, and one I touched on, which thankfully is now parked, but there are lots of other hats even now. And the way it's done is being organized and actually just chunking down common threads of avatars. Right, this lot need this stuff done. Let's get them done. Let's get them served. This lot need this done, and so on. So it's just about being organised. Oh, I clicked that too soon. So here we go. Yeah, how does he feel? So we're going from frustration to taking him to feeling confident and a little bit more in control and a bit more accomplished in what he's actually doing, because he's got that skill set now. His status, what is this all about? So this is about describing the status of our avatar before he has our course in place, and then after he's got this. So this is about the narrative they're telling themselves, and this is, again, touching a little bit on that imposter syndrome. So at the moment, he appears to be able to cover all those business areas. He sold it. We probably all have done that. I know I've done that. You get an inquiry for a job, especially in the photography days, and I've already told you, with zero photography knowledge, you know, can you take photographs of teddy bears in the shopping centre and print them out on site? Yes, I can do that. That was my very first job for Build-A-Bear factory in Watford. And I had queues wrapped around the aisles. Now, I could do it, but it wasn't as efficient as I would have liked it, and we soon changed the efficiency on that one. But we take the job on, and then we figure out how we're going to deliver it. And at this stage, that is that little bit of imposter, because inside you're thinking, can I really deliver this? But actually, in this case, having the course, he can deliver it, because he's got the knowledge and he's got the understanding. Good versus evil. I always feel like I should have some wicked witch and a fairy on the side of this particular slide. On a deeper level, you know, going really, really broad, what is it that would be the absolute disaster if he didn't have this course, versus what is that amazing moment that he's going to feel if he does get the course? So before, he's not going to be able to grow his business because he's stuck in that negative place of never being able to serve. And he's actually going to start getting really, really tedious for him, because he knows he can't quite do it. He can't keep selling like this. He needs to do something different. And so, of course, the amazing part, the fairy godmother, is having the course. He's got the confidence. The work gets really seamless. He is very knowledgeable, and that comes across in everything he's doing. So that's that good versus evil. And so now your sheet should be looking like this. So I've pulled in all those different little pieces, and it's done. Now, to do this manually, I would say takes anything from 1.5 to 2 hours if you are sitting and doing this properly. It will really get your sort of mental juices flowing when you're doing it, because you can see, and I've done this very fast, so thank you for your patience on that, but I hope it's giving you that little insight as to how important that avatar work is. And you need to do it for all your products. Now, one way you can do it, for those businesses that have already been going for a while, and I think there's quite a few in this room, you can either pick random sample, go back to your invoicing, pick up some clients, or be selective. You could say, who are the ones I enjoyed working with? So I often recommend this to businesses.